Plus sur commande, une ambiance incroyable ici. Et oui, Jared Leto est avec nous. It's incredible.
Thank you. I love it. Everyone's screaming and clapping, but this one guy up there, he's like, just saying it. It's cool.
Welcome to the set. Welcome back again.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks for having me. I've been spending some time in this beautiful city and actually had a chance to live here for a little while I'm making a film, and it's just been wonderful. I've fallen in love with it, and I'm just so happy to be here. So thanks for having me.
It's great. It's great that you actually took time to come see us today.
I was walking around and I saw something that made me think of you guys, and I said that to Emma, my assistant. I said we should go and visit the station. So we called up. I mean, you guys don't know this, but I actually called up and said, "Hey, can I come by?" And they were like, "Well, if you have to, come by." So thanks for letting me come by and say hi.
That's great, because last time you were here, we were with the band, actually. You were with,
yes.
The guys from the band 30 Seconds to Mars.
Yes.
And now, as you said, you're shooting a movie right now.
Yeah.
It's called Mr. Nobody. It's set to be released in 2008. Really shortly, can you just tell me what is it about? What's your character?
Well, it's a very unique film because I play 12 different versions of the same person.
Okay.
I don't know if anyone's ever heard of the butterfly effect before, the chaos theory. It kind of examines that theory, like what happens if you say yes or no to someone, or if you make a decision, how does that affect your life, you know? So it's really fascinating.
Excellent. I'm going to translate a little bit for that.
Oh, sure. Sorry.
Did you have the time to learn a little bit of French?
I'm learning a little bit of French, but it's what I call cinema French. So I say like, because on the set, often they say like Place du Monde or Silence Partout or On y va, allons-y, and all those things. So that's all I basically know. It's terrible, I know, but I'm trying my best.
Well, it's a start. It's a start.
Thank you.
Alors, Jared qui me disait qu'il était ici, il était content d'être en ville à Montréal pour tourner le film Mr. Nobody. Je lui demandais un peu c'était quoi son personnage. Il dit, c'est un personnage assez étrange parce que c'est 12 versions du même personnage. Il dit comme l'effet papillon, en fait, comme la théorie du chaos. C'est-à-dire qu'un petit événement peut changer complètement le cours des choses. Et là, on a parlé que la dernière fois il était ici, c'était avec 30 Seconds to Mars. Et bien, il est très, très content de justement pouvoir venir ici parce qu'il a appelé, oui, il a demandé à son assistante d'appeler ici pour venir nous voir. Et apparemment, qu'à la station, on a dit ben, si jamais tu n'as pas le choix, on va t'accepter.
Did I really say that much?
Yes.
No, there's no way. I did.
Yeah. Let's talk about the band, because you always made a point that your band was as important, even maybe more important than your acting career. It's really important for you.
Well, I said it a little earlier to someone I was talking to. I'm not an actor who like found his true calling, which was music, and that's my real passion. I don't look at it like that. I love making films. I'm very proud of that. I'm not ashamed of it at all. I've always made music since I was a kid, and there's nothing that beats making music. I mean, when you create something like that with people that you care about, and then you perform it in a room full of people that you care about, there's something very, very special and beautiful about that experience. So nothing can beat that, but I enjoy doing both, and it's nice to be able to do both. Maybe I'll quit one in the future. Maybe I'll quit them both in the future. I'm not sure, but right now we're having a really good time, and it's just been wonderful. It's been wonderful.
Great. And do you have time while shooting, like, to work on some songs, to work on some ideas?
Yeah, I have written quite a few songs in the past 6 months. I've probably written about 50 or 60 songs, but the way that my process is I'll probably end up throwing them all out and then starting over. I tend to go through a lot of songs before I find one that I want to keep.
Great. Alors, Jared qui nous parlait, I'll try to make that one a little
Sorry,
bit
I should answer shorter. Is what I should do.
It's okay.
I should just say we, no, we, or no, right? So I'm sorry to make so much work for you.
No problem. I'll try to be as good as you are. Alors, en fait, Jared me disait que, dans le fond, il avait le temps de travailler sur des chansons pendant qu'il était en tournage, mais c'est un petit peu plus difficile parce que lui, ce qu'il va faire, en fait, c'est qu'il va finir par juste envoyer ces chansons-là. Il dit, j'aime bien travailler sur plusieurs chansons. Et finalement, en envoyer aux poubelles quand même une bonne partie. Donc, c'est probablement ça qui va arriver avec ça. Et il est content de pouvoir faire de la musique et du cinéma, les deux ensemble. Il est content de pouvoir faire les deux en même temps et de le faire le plus longtemps possible. Il dit peut-être qu'un jour je vais lâcher un, peut-être qu'un jour je vais lâcher l'autre, peut-être que je vais lâcher les deux. Peu importe. You got a gift.
I did. I don't know where it's been, but
Un beau cadeau, je sais pas où c'est allé. Okay, so we're gonna see the
but they're
first.
both wearing the same hand, you know, which I thought was interesting. So they either stole two right-handed gloves, or they bought one pair that was defected, or they just switched them around. I know.
Maybe you can put in like any hand.
Yeah.
Excellent. So we're gonna see the video, the first single off A Beautiful Lie. It's Attack, and we're gonna be with you right after. Oh,
That's me doing puppet.
it's a puppet show.
Yeah, it's a puppet show. Now you just have to be on the hand.
Il s'amuse.
Bonsoir. Je m'appelle Jared. Je t'aime.
Excellent. You're
It's not
pretty
bad.
good in
You
French.
know, I have a future ahead of me. Another
Excellent.
career.
Show de marionnette avec Jared Leto. Nous, on va aller voir le premier extrait
Wow.
de l'album A Beautiful Life. Voici Attack.
Place tout le monde. Oui. Oh.